Okay, so today we are going to be doing a blowout on Lexi using fave4 hair products. There are 4 aerosol sprays. We are going to be using 2 of the 4. So we are going to be using their Texture Takeover, which is a texture spray. It's also a light hairspray. It's great in wet or dry hair. The great thing about it is that it's a dry texture spray. So it's not wet, but it also has a hairspray in it. So it doesn't just give you the texture, it also gives you the hold. It's also completely clear and can be used as a root lift or a dry shampoo. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna section her off and spray in at the roots a little bit. So that's our Texture Takeover. We're also gonna be using fave4 workable wear, but we will use this when her hair is dry before we go in and add the waves. It's a medium hold hairspray. It stays wet while you're styling so it doesn't dry up and get sticky on your hands. Great for curling and also great for braiding. The good thing about these products is that if you spin them around, it will also give you a little bit of guidance as to what it's good for when you're styling. So like this one, it's a medium hold, styling, restyling, braid twists, and teasing. So that will be when she's dry. And then we also have fave4 Style Stay, which is your firm hold hairspray. It's great for if you are doing updos or you have a bride, anything that you need a little more hold. The great thing about it is that it doesn't leave a film on the hair like a lot of firm hold hairsprays do, but it also doesn't get sticky, which is, I feel, as a stylist, one of my biggest pet peeves with hairsprays. And then your last aerosol is your Flex Reflex. It's a shine spray, but it's not wet, so it's not gonna give you that look of when you spray a shine spray on your hair and all of a sudden it looks like you need to shower because your hair looks greasy.